Namaskar. Namaskar. This is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session of Basics of Mathematics, today again I am going to discuss some numerical portion of permutation, and as you are going through since last 2 and 3 lectures, that the numerical problems that are existing in your exercise are more interesting, and they are giving you a little bit, you can say, direction in themselves to proceed for the next one. You can ask that what I want to say. I want to say you that if you do one numerical problem of permutation, that one numerical problem is going to give hint to the solution of the next numerical problem of permutation. Yes. So let us see some numerical. Please write. In how many ways? Let us write this numerical problem. Please let us write this numerical problem. Example 4. In how many ways can 5 children be arranged in a line? In how many ways? Let us write. You can take a screenshot also of this write-up, as well as you write I am speaking. In how many ways can 5 children be arranged in a line such that, in one please write, 2 particular children of them are always together. 2 particular children of them. See here, this is the first part of the question. 2 particular children of them are always together. And the second part of the problem is 2 particular children of them are never together. 2 particular children of them are never together. So in how many ways can 5 children be arranged in a line such that 2 particular children of them are always together? Second, 2 particular children of them are never together. In how many ways can 5 children be arranged in a line such that, in one please write, 2 particular children of them are always together. Second, 2 particular children of them are never together. So write the solution of first part of the question, that how you can calculate this, that 2 particular children of them are always together. So please see the solution. Let us write from here. We consider the arrangement we taking. We consider the arrangements we taking 2 particular children together as one. Consider 2 particular children as one because they are sitting together. Then the remaining 4 can be arranged. You know that m different things may be arranged by factorial n ways. M different things may be arranged by factorial m ways. X particular things may be arranged by factorial x ways. So out of 5, if 2 children are supposed to be 1, then the number of rest will be what? 4, and that can be arranged by factorial 4 ways. And you can write factorial 4 means, let us write in your copy. Factorial 4 means factorial 4 is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 24. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 24. So here this is 24 ways. Again, 2 particular children taken together can be arranged in 2 ways. So therefore, by the principle of multiplication, means fundamental principle of counting of multiplication, that is by lemma, you can see here the required number of arrangement of ways will be this 42 into these 2. It means these 24 into these 2 means 24 into 2 is equal to 48 total ways of arrangement. These are the 48 total number of arrangements. I hope students you have got it. Now the next part of this question is 2 particular children of them are never together. In first part of the question, you have seen that 2 particular children are together. In the second part of the question, you have to discuss, you have to think that the specific case when 2 particular children of them are never together. So you know that if you have 5 children, then they may be permutated by factorial 5 ways, and you know factorial 5 means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 120. 5 4 ja 20, 3 ja 60, and 2 ja 120. Here is 120 factorial 5 means 120 permutation of 5 children. There are 48 in which 2 children are together. You have seen here. You have seen here how we have obtained this result. 48. So in remaining 120 minus 48, subtract 120 minus 48 is equal to 72. 72 permutation, 2 particular children are never together. So students, in this way, you have seen here a very interesting and a very logical as well as a very practical problem of permutation that is very much associated with our day-to-day life activity, day-to-day life, you can say happening and problems. Because usually such type of problems or such type of numericals generally discussed or asked by you in your daily life. So with the help of this numerical problem, you are one thing also getting that how your engineering, how your basics of mathematics is directly concerned and connected to your life. I hope you have got this. In case you have any doubt, in case you have any confusion during live session, you can interact with me. At that very moment, I shall be sorting out your any query. And students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query or any confusion, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. We shall try to resolve your query from there. Thanks again for joining this lecture and enjoying this lecture. Thanks a lot.